Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, Math Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Given one line graph. So in that angle is 45 degree and the point is 5,3. Point P is 5,3 and point Q intersects y-axis. So here we need to find the slope of the line and then equation of the line, and then we need to find the coordinates of Q. So let's find the slope first. Slope of 45 degree line is always 1 because slope equals to tan theta. Here the angle is 45 degrees, so slope is tan 45, which is 1. So slope of the given line is 1. So let's move to the second part of the question. So which is finding the equation of the given line. So to find the equation of the line, we need to use point slope form. Given a point P is 5,3 and slope is 1, so which is m is equals to 1. So point slope form is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Here x1 and x2 are 5,3. So y minus 3 equals to 1 into x minus 5. So we'll get y minus 3 equals to x minus 5. So just add 3 on both sides. We'll get y is equals to x minus 2. So this is the equation of the given line. So finally find the coordinates of coordinates of Q. Q line intersects y-axis, which means the x coordinate will be 0. So x is equals to 0 and substitute this x is equals to 0 into the equation which we got now. So y is equals to 0 minus 2, which is y is equals to minus 2. So the point Q becomes x comma y, which is 0 comma minus 2. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.